Bonze.
What's up, Spasmatics? My name is Flip, and today I'm going to be doing a skate vlog. I'm going to try to land a new trick. I just woke up. I'm tired, and yeah, I wanted to wake up somewhat early so there's it's not going to be too crowded outside, and social distancing and everything. Yeah. So I can't even think right now. I'm so tired. I need to make some coffee.
Kickflips are one of the easiest tricks I can do, but I just got these shoes recently, which they work great, but for some reason I cannot do kickflips anymore. It's really weird. It's really annoying because that's usually my go-to flip trick. It's just easy, but I can't get a good kickflip going, so I'm gonna land one, and that's not what I'm trying to learn today. This is depressing. So this morning I was really tired, so I really couldn't speak that well. So I'm awake now. I have my coffee. I'm out and about. It took me 2 hours to get out of my apartment because I had intestinal problems. I ate a really spicy burrito yesterday and it was good, but it wreaks havoc the next day. Anyway, I'm underneath this bridge again, so it's loud. I have my lav mic here, so I'm hoping I can edit the sound out again. Last time something happened with my audio recording where it was only coming out of one side of the speakers. I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna try to learn how to do a 50-50 180 out. I've never done it before. I've done 50-50s and I've gotten better this summer at doing 50-50s, so I'm a little bit more comfortable with the idea of me doing a trick out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Okay, so now I'm going to try to land that 50-50 180 out. Frontside 180 out? Frontside 180 out. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I did a couple of 50-50s and I'm not feeling too great about it. But we'll see. I think I can land it because I've accidentally almost landed it before. And also this is going to be a test for the microphone. Well, now it's quiet. Because since I'm above that overpass, it's kind of loud, so I'm going to try to do some noise cancellation, but we'll see how it goes. Let's try to land this damn trick. See, I tried to adjust my foot while I was grinding because I have this bad habit with having when I get up onto a 50-50, my feet are like this. Like my back feet are on bolts and my front feet are kind of on the nose. And as you know, that's not optimal because how are you supposed to pop if your foot is on bolts? It doesn't work. I'm telling you, this trick is a little weird just because I'm not getting my feet in the right place. I really need to get my back foot on the tail instead of trying to adjust it while I'm on there. So I think when I pop, I'm gonna try bringing consciously try bringing my foot back to the tail. I don't know. Oh my gosh! That is so freaking scary when you screw up. Okay, so I kind of landed that. I didn't really pop all that much out, but I did a 180 out, so it kind of counts, I guess. Let me try getting a different angle. I want to land it twice because that was pretty quick. I wasn't very confident, but I landed it kind of quick, so let's try it again. That's a great way to break your ankle. If you're ever wondering what a nice method is or creative way to break your ankle, do it like that. I adjusted my feet on the grind still, but I almost did it still. Hey, you sweet little... I might have to call. There's people coming over and I don't want to wig them out with the camera. So right now I'm heading over to the Buxton Trail. I'm gonna do like a little relaxing longboard ride in this beautiful like wooded area. I'm sort of out in the middle of nowhere right now, and I'm going really slow because there's like traffic out here for some reason. I'm not sure why, but when you can count the pebbles on the road, then you know you're going slow. So here I am at the Buxton Trailhead. I'm gonna do a nice little longboard ride down this very pleasant, serene, wooded area. And it's all downhill. You don't go very fast, but I think it takes about 15 minutes. It's a really nice ride, super peaceful. But before I do that, doing that little cartwheel was like tiring. Before I do that, I'm gonna eat a dozen glazed donuts from Krispy Kreme. I stopped by there on the way here. Could I get a dozen glazed donuts?
A dozen glazed? No problem, that'll be all for you.
That's everything. And I want to see how fast I can eat a dozen. If I could even eat a dozen, who knows. So let's go over to the bench. Okay, here's the dozen donuts. And I got my coffee, so let's see how fast I can do this. I'm gonna time it with my phone. I didn't plan on making myself feel sick today, but I know the first like 3 are gonna taste really good. Does that work? Okay, let's just get started. It's getting tough. Holy crap. This is... ugh. Man, I think this is a bad idea. Maybe I won't do this as a challenge. Oh man. This is too much. This is too much. Time is flying by. And I have only 2 donuts left, but I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I haven't done an eating challenge in a while, so. And if you're wondering why I'm talking instead of eating, it's because my belly hurts. Too much sugar! That was a really bad idea. I almost felt like vomiting, and I still might. Oh, hi, I feel better. So I gotta set up my wheels for my longboard because I took the bearings out for my skateboard. I should probably just buy new bearings. But, so I'm gonna take the bearings out of my skateboard and put it into my longboard, and then I'm gonna hit the trail. So right now I am hiking up the trail. I have to get to the top before I, you know, use this bad boy. But as you can see, it's a very beautiful wooded area. I've been wearing this mask around my neck all day. But I've been avoiding people, so, you know. So anyway, as you can see, this trail is at a slight downhill. So, and it's a pretty long trail, and it's just really peaceful. And I forget how fast you go, but at some points of the trail, you kind of pick up a lot of speed. You can pretty much just never touch the ground the whole way. And it's, like I said, super peaceful, and I'm getting tired. Okay, so I finally walked up the trail to the drop-in point. It only took me 18 hours and 47 minutes. My legs are wobbly and my ass is sweaty, and I probably burnt off all those calories from the donuts. But now it's time for my prize, and I get to, oh, by the way, I'm at the top. Before it goes to the road there, you can't even see that. Anyway, so I'm gonna actually set a timer to see how long it takes me to longboard back. It did take forever to walk up here, so we'll try to enjoy the ride. All right, let's go. Oh wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Foot brake. I forgot to time myself. I'm not too far from the beginning here, hold on. Timer started, let's see. Holy crap, this is picking up speed. I'm not freaking out yet, but oh, it's picking up speed again. Man, I'm so nervous. I should have brought my helmet just in case. I forgot that I have a helmet for downhill longboarding, but it's just been so long since I've done it. I didn't prepare. Okay. Every time it starts to slow down a little bit, my heart just like gets relieved. Okay, so my battery says it's about to die. I should really buy a second battery. Oh, it's picking up speed again. I haven't touched the ground yet. I might turn it back on at a later point, but I'll see you at the bottom. If I have scrapes all over my face, you'll know what happened. Okay, let's see how long that took. About 15 minutes. I tried to stop it at the 15-minute mark, but whatever. Okay, so I had a really fun day today. I haven't done that longboard trail ride in a while. It's been years. I've only done that a couple of times, and it was with a group of people, so there'd be somebody that would be driving us up to the top of the trail, and we'd do that like 3 or 4 times. This is the first time I went solo, so I had to walk all the way to the top and then coast down, but it was still worth it. It was a nice hike. A little tiring, but it was all worth it for that nice relaxing ride. As for the trick I did earlier, I landed it once. I kind of wanted to land another one because I tend to like to land 2, preferably with 2 different angles or something. But yeah, I landed one, and it didn't take me that long, so it's probably I didn't think it was going to be a difficult trick. And in the past, I've landed a 50-50 with a nollie 180 out. For some reason, those are a little bit easier for me because of my foot positioning. I complained about it during the video. My front foot keeps ending up on the nose, and my back foot is somewhere in the middle, so it was easier to do nollie 180s out, but this is the first time I've landed just a regular frontside 180 out of a 50-50. I'm going to be excited to edit again. It's been a while since I've released a video, so it's going to be fun. I have footage to edit now, so... Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay spazzy, and I'll catch you on the flip side.